this project, you're gonna need glitter, Mod Podge, a paintbrush, tape. So our first step is gonna be laying down the tape. Now you're gonna make a mixture with the Mod Podge. Now we're gonna paint this glitter and Mod Podge onto the sandal. Pour a little more glitter on it. Now we're just gonna peel back the tape. Paint another layer of the Mod Podge over the glitter, and it's gonna seal everything in. For this project, you're gonna need embroidery thread, a small cardboard square, scissors, fabric glue, and a leather punch. You're gonna wanna wrap your embroidery thread about 20 times around the square. Next, you're gonna wanna get your scissor under all of those strings that you just wrapped and cut. You're gonna wanna save 2 for later. You're gonna tie this string around your bundle. Fold your bundle back in half and take the other string that you saved and tie it. We're gonna take our leather punch and make a hole. Now you're gonna wanna take the top of the tassel that you left out and run it through the hole. And then we're gonna wanna tie these strings inside the shoe together. So we're gonna use a bit of fabric glue to glue the tassels down. For the next project, you're just gonna need acrylic gems and fabric glue. I'm just gonna arrange these gems kind of how I want them to look before I glue them down. I find that it's better also to put the glue right on the gem instead of putting it on the sandal first.